Hey everyone, this is Karen Waksman, founder of Retail MBA. Today we're going to be talking about arts and craft products for retailers. I want to talk about this category because a lot of people come to me about their arts and crafts products and they're trying to figure out what they need to know about this category and how to support them and so forth. So, the reason I decided to create these trainings is because I am a manufacturer's rep turned author, speaker, and consultant for the last 2 decades. I have sold millions of consumer products to the world's largest retailer as a manufacturer's rep. And then the last 11 years, I've taught close to 50,000 product companies across the globe on how to generate revenue with consumer products. And over the years, I've taught my time tested sales methodologies. And obviously, people come to me in various categories, and arts and crafts is coming up more than ever. And so I wanted to talk about this category to help you out, just trying to support you with this brief training and to give you some things to consider in regards to selling arts and crafts to, say, Michael's stores or anything like that. So let's talk about arts and crafts products. First of all, if you are thinking about selling to chain stores and getting your products into stores, the one thing you'll note is that for arts and crafts, they like kits these days. Kits means packaged varietal of products into one kind of group in a box or something like that. And so they like these little packages where somebody can go and find a kit. Maybe they're teaching kids how to create flowers in their garden or whatever it is. They like kits these days. Can you create one with your product? There's a lot of money to be had these days with gift sets, kits, and so forth. When you do that, you can sell into retailers across the globe because it's also a great gift product. So, there's how to create sprouts, for your own home, how to create bracelets. These little kits are sold at bookstores and Walgreens and Walmarts, and it's in the game section. It's also in the craft sections. You can really kind of expand and grow. Is that possible for your product? One thing that a lot of people do with arts and crafts products is they try to sell to just say Michael's stores or Joann's or whatever, and that's fantastic. But maybe go beyond those retailers. There's so many other retailers that can buy your product depending on how you package it and how you price it. If you create kits, if you create bundled packs, whatever it is, there's so many other retailers that sell those products. I've mentioned some already. You can even sell to Ace Hardware, 7-Elevens. They do a lot of stuff with arts and crafts products and so forth. So don't think just beyond those two retailers. And a lot of times for niche retailers, they tend to reject more just because of the fact that you're dealing with buyers who are looking at the same product all day, every day, and have seen every type of art and craft product on the planet. But a lot of your competitors are not thinking about selling into other types of chain stores. I've seen people sell all sorts of products into even Ross stores and all sorts of other retailers that can make you a lot of money. Department stores, certain times of the year, holidays, can you repackage it in different colors so that it could be for Mother's Day, whatever it is, it could be varietal and so forth. Don't forget back to school. It's a lot of products for kids and stuff going back to school, and that's a great place to sell your arts and crafts products. It has different sections of the store sometimes, and that's a revenue generator. There's actually buyers who buy products for back to school, and that's something to consider. For your case, because there's so many different types of companies competing with you, differentiation is key. So there's a lot of big players in the market, and you're just going to have to think about what is it that's different and unique about my product. Go to stores, walk around, look at their product assortment. How can I make myself bigger, better, cooler in some way? Again, like for instance, if you're going to stores and you're selling paint, look at what's going on with paint and then see, can my product go, can you make it a 12 pack instead of a 6 pack? Can you make the price better? I don't know. Can you repackage it again in different kits or whatever it is, but try and play with differentiation. That's really going to help you out. Don't ignore random retailers. I kind of mentioned that, but again, there's so many stores that could sell your product. The way to find out is just to jump in your car and or go online and find retailers that are well beyond your scope. We teach people how to go after stores to dramatically scale and improve their businesses and their bottom line. And one thing that we do know is the more differentiation you get in terms of the types of retailers you go after, the less competition there is and the more opportunity there is for you. So if I can give you any quick tips and strategies for the arts and crafts category, it's really to think beyond what everybody else is doing. I mentioned a lot of different ways that you can sell to retailers. What if you have face paint? Could you sell it to the Halloween stores? During the seasonal time of year, there's so many cool ways to generate revenue with consumer products brands. What about online? There's so many kids channels and things like that that you can sell into. It's a different ball game, but definitely a revenue generator. Again, there's endless ways to sell an art and crafts product. With that said, if you'd like to learn exactly how to approach, pitch, and sell to retailers, how to get them to buy, take a look at our free webinar that's coming up. All you got to do is go to retailmba.com/free and sign up for our next one. 90 minutes, we're talking, supporting you, answering questions, and so forth. Very powerful, and people love our trainings. Also, if you want support directly with your product, we have everything listed on retailmba.com. We have done-for-you programs, do-it-yourself programs, where we teach you how to go after stores, or we do it for you. We have one-day live events, intensives. We have 30-day master classes that happen quarterly. These are all listed on retailmba.com, and we'd happy to support you. We have buyer lists, contacts, and so forth. Or if you'd like to learn more about our client successes, go to retailmba.com and click on testimonials, and you get to see all the cool products that have gotten in stores because of our supportive step-by-step formulas. Anyways, if you like this information, please subscribe to this channel, comment below, like this post, tell your friends, keep in touch with us. We're always creating new content. This is Karen Waksman, Retail MBA. So excited to support you in your quest of selling into retailers. Thanks so much.